Hey everyone, welcome back to Helpyt. Today we are talking about where your Chrome bookmarks and extension are stored on a Mac. So if you ever want to find the file where Chrome saves all your bookmarks or extension, here is how to do it. First, open Finder, then at the top of your screen you will see a menu bar. Click Go and then choose Go to Folder. Now a little box will pop up. In that box, type this exactly. And don't worry, I have added this folder address in the description below for you. Now press Go. This takes you to the folder where Chrome keeps all its important files. Here you should see two files called Bookmarks and bookmarks.bak. These hold all your saved bookmarks. Also, in this same location, you will see a folder called Extensions where Chrome stores all your extension files. So, it's a useful spot for anything Chrome related. Now you know exactly where to look if you ever need to find your Chrome bookmarks or extensions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy tips. This is Emon signing off.